Even if we have started the corrective action, the 8D method implementation is no longer finished. We have come to a successful point after starting the corrective action, but we are not yet at the end of the process. The sixth step to be taken is to test the effectiveness of the action. This step is not the verification that you have initiated the action. The goal of this phase of the method is to ensure that the action has been effective, that it has worked by achieving its goal. This is an important concept that I repeat. The efficacy check serves to ensure that we have identified the correct root cause and that the corrective action taken has worked. How can we verify that the action was effective? There is no one-of-a-kind answer. There are some things to consider at this stage. For example, what do we expect to see that the action was effective? Or, in other words, what needs to happen to consider the action effective? When should the verification be performed? This is an important aspect to consider, even considering any customer requests that are increasingly stringent. Evaluate that until the action has been verified, in fact the non-compliance is still open with all the risks of the case, so it is necessary to have the success of the corrective action as soon as possible. How should the verify has to be done? Will there be an additional control? On how many pieces? What will be measured? Who needs to verify? These questions help you better understand how to physically perform effective testing. In some cases, it may be useful to organize an audit in parallel with the operational control. In the next lesson, we go to the seventh step of the 8D method.